Hi, this is Jim Gibson with CableSupply.com. Thank you for watching the video today. I really appreciate it. And today is the 15th of May, 2019. And we're going to talk about some new things on our website. We're going to talk about some new things in our e-commerce site. And we're going to talk about some new things right here on YouTube. So please stick with us. The first thing I want to announce, because I don't want to wait to the very end, because people say that, you know, stay with me to the very end, and most people don't. So what I'm going to tell you about is really great. So if you're thinking of buying IT equipment, parts for your cabling, fantastic. Because now we offer free shipping anywhere in the United States if you buy more than $15. Now we may up that to like $25 because, to be honest with you, $15 is a loss if we ship. But anyway, make a long story short, $15 for now, anywhere in the United States, free shipping. Now, a lot of people say, well, who are you? Well, we're all about IT. So this website, or our company's been around for, 15 years now. And it was all part of Nova Voice and Data Systems, which I ran for 28 years. And we're all about IT. So it's tutorials you're going to see on our website. It's product descriptions. It's just videotaping people doing installs so you can learn the techniques and the habits and what people do in IT departments. It's looking at data centers. It's interviewing people who run IT departments and data centers and business owners. If you're a business owner, we have a podcast, and the podcast is Business Sense. And it's right there on our YouTube account, and it talks about all those things in business, and particularly about IT business. So if you're running an IT department, some of this would be good for you. If you run a regular business, has nothing to do with IT, this is good information for you that you should have. Good background into IT, but at the same time, a good background into business. And you can learn from my mistakes and from my successes, and maybe you can email me and tell me about your successes and your failures. Now, some other things that I do that's not on either of those sites is I'm also a consultant. So corporations hire me. I come in, I do a business evaluation of what they're doing, a business assessment. And I look at everything they're doing, how they're doing it, and I give advice. I help them reorganize their business. I tell them how to reorganize the data center, how to hire people, how to hire the data people. Man, I've hired a lot of data people, and I've trained a lot of data people into what the jobs they need to do. But I also do speeches. So if if you're local, if you're not, if you paid the expense of flying me somewhere, I'll speak anywhere in the United States. But I give speeches to business organizations, to chambers, things like that, on how to start a business, how to run a business, with emphasis on IT. So if this is something that you would like, just let me know. And make the comments on this video, because I read the comments. Now, if you're going to make comments, okay, make sure that the comments do not include foul language, because I won't post that. And don't include websites if you want me to post it. I'll go to the website and I'll look at the website you suggest, but I won't post it if it has a website on it. So that's my two rules. Clean language and no websites. But I do need input from you, so please give me your input. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right. Look at my e-commerce site, tell me what the problems are with it. This is all valuable information. Remember, if you watch one of my videos where I talk about the fact that people's complaints are fantastic things. So don't think you have to say something positive. Look, I like negative stuff too, because I can learn from the negative stuff. Big corporations spend millions of dollars to go out and do polling of their customers to find out what their customers like and don't like. And a lot of people complain, and complaining is a great, inexpensive way to find out what you're doing good at, what you're not doing good at. So please make this a two-way conversation. I feel like sometimes I'm just talking to a screen in front of me, and I have no idea if you're actually understanding what I'm saying, or you're getting what I'm saying, or this is interesting to you. Now, of course, I get the thumbs up. I like that, because that tells me that you were interested in it. And I like to subscribe when you hit the bell also on the videos, because that really helps. In fact, the more subscribes I get, because now I'm up to 43,000 or something like that. The more subscribers I get on the site, the more chances I have to go and ask some of the manufacturers, for information so I can, give you content on the site. So, if you like the site, subscribe, ring the bell, give me thumbs up, things like that. Make comments. I need those comments. I need to know what you're thinking. I need to get ideas from you. It can't be just a one-way conversation. Also, I have a lot of people that call me, or not call me, but text me and say how I've done this for them and I've helped them, and only if they could repay me. Well, we now have a way, if you'd like to donate, and that's Subscribestar or PayPal. And it's in the description down below. So if you look at it, the links are there. You can click on them. You give $1 a month. You can give $5 a month. You can do a one-time gift of $1 or a one-time gift of $1,000. That would be fantastic. And a lot of people say, well, you get paid by YouTube. Yeah, you get paid by YouTube. And that covers my phone bill and it buys me paper for my printer. So if you want to really help out, excuse me, if you want to help out and you really like these videos and they're helping you and you want to help us, then please consider going to those two things. And of course, if you have an organization and you'd like me to come and speak to the organization, I'm in Southern California. So if you're in Southern California, it's not a problem. Be happy to talk about any subjects in IT, cybersecurity, cloud, or business. So I'll be happy to talk about any of those things. And the same thing, if you're anywhere else, well, you cover my expenses, I'd be happy to talk. Also, consulting. I do consulting. So if you need a consultant, if you need someone to help you design your IT department, help you design your business, or at least give you my thoughts on it. Sometimes when I was in business, that would have been valuable. Just someone coming in and saying, hey, have you thought about doing this another way? Also, setting up a cybersecurity program. It's one of the things I do is talk about policies, procedures, designs of networks. The network really does need to be designed cyber secure. And it's not just about the equipment, it's also about the people, and it's about the procedures and policies and things like that. Anyway, the big news this month is free shipping. So if you're thinking of buying those parts, please check out the free shipping, check out the website. And you know something? If there's something on YouTube or my e-commerce site that you don't like, tell me about it. And if there's something you like, tell me about it. Because I'm like dying here in the desert to get feedback from people to see, what's going on and what you like and what you don't like. So again, Jim Gibson, CableSupply.com. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great month, and I think we're going to update this every month. So you have a great day. Bye.